Hey, it's me again. I just wanted to drop a video on the summer Kylie collection. I have the eyeshadow palette here. It is very, very beautiful. It has a multitude of shades. You have your neutrals, but you also have this beautiful green and this beautiful purple going on here. I don't know if my light is doing it justice or not. I have used this a couple of times. I usually stay around the neutral look. I've got some loose translucent powder under here to catch the fallout because this palette does have some fallout in it, especially in the mattes. So I guess we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna go in with shade right here, Sure About You. They have such cute names. I'm going to get my Morphe JH32 and I'm gonna get some of this product on my brush and I'm just gonna go into the crease with it. It is more of a peachy shade. It is a matte and it blends easily. Okay, we're just gonna go in and see the fallout I was talking about. Yeah. And we're gonna pick up some more product with that brush and we're gonna go into the next eye, into the crease with it. The next shade that I'm going to go into is the one right above it, Welcome Aboard. It is a darker shade. It is more of a brown. I am going to use the same crease brush, the JH32, and I'm just going to get some of the products with this brush. As you can see, yet again, it's pretty much got fallout in it. And I'm just going to take it and lightly insert it into the crease. And as you can see the fallout from it, which is why I have translucent powder on under my eye. Just going to build more definition in the crease. And it, like I said, it does have a pretty good amount of fallout on it. I'm going to take the same shade and we're going to work it in on this side. Alright, now that we have those two shades on, I'm going to take my fluffy brush, the JH30, and I'm just going to use it to kind of blend this out. And we're going to do the same on this side, just kind of work it into the lower lid, not the lower lid, the lid. And so far, this is what we get. And now I'm going to take the shade My Treasure right here. It's a dark, deeper brown. And I'm going to try to work it into my outer V. So I'm going to take that. I've got my little no-name angle brush. I'm just going to lightly dust it into there. Just lightly dust it in. And this is the look so far. Today I am going to go in with this shade right here called Salty Sweet. And I am going to put it on the lid where you see the lightest at. And this is where I'm going to take the MAC 252 brush. And I am going to go in there dry at the moment. I might try wetting it later. This is the first time I've used this shade, so... Oh, it has massive fallout. Yes. Whew. And it didn't go so well dry, so I am going to wet my brush with some Fix Plus that I have over here. It's just the MAC Prep and Prime. Prep and Prime. It has been a day. I'm telling you, after last night. Whew. Just damp the brush. I'm just going to dip it back into this shade Salty Sweet. Oh, much better. Just gonna go back over this eye because I ended up with more product on the other eye than I did this eye. The shades in this palette are absolutely beautiful, but the downfall is the major fallout. I am now going to take my fat fluffy brush again, the JH30. I'm just gonna like blend out like any harsh line that may have made. Alright, just get rid of some of this loose translucent powder. It's just a trick I picked up from a couple of my favorite beauty bloggers. It will help if you have fallout and you've got on a full face of makeup and you can just like dust it all away. I'm pretty happy with this look. I'm guessing I'm going to now take my J39 pencil brush and I'm going to dampen it. And I'm going to go back in with this same shade I put on my lid, Salty Sweet. And I'm just going to take some of it and put it in the inner corner of my eye for my highlight. I'm also going to take some of this shade Sea Pearl right here, and I'm going to use a damp brush on it and go right there. Yes, that's a beautiful color. It is a gold, so it is matching what we've already put down. Hit the lower lash line. I'm going to go in with A Sure About You, which was the first shade that we used. Just kind of hit this lower lash line with it. I just don't know what I'm going to do about eyeliner yet. As you can see, we created a natural, neutral eye color with it. So So right now, I think I'm going to skip liner. I think I'm pretty happy with the finished product. I don't want to cover up too much of the lightness. So